Hey everyone, it's Jacqueline. So today I want to sit down and film a Halloween Lush haul for you guys because I know you guys were really excited about it. And I was particularly excited about the Halloween range this year. Y'all know that Halloween and holiday Lush products get me excited. So super pumped about all these new items. Let's just hop on into it. So I'm gonna start off with what is probably the most exciting and most alarming product. So this here is a soap. I think it's called Ghost in the Dark. And you know, it's just a cute little ghost soap. Nothing to see, right? Well, JK. So I had this sitting in my bedroom for the past like couple days, and all of a sudden I couldn't fall asleep and there was like a glow emitting from my floor. And I was so confused, so I walked over. What do you know? It's my Lush box that's glowing. This soap literally glows in the dark. I don't know how this happens, what ingredient does that. It literally glows like a neon yellow green in the dark. Like what? Anyways, besides that, this thing smells amazing. It smells kind of like very citrusy, like lemony, kind of like the Dragon's Egg Bath Bomb. I actually bet you it's the exact same scent as that. The same scent family. Yeah, there's tons of lemongrass oil, bergamot oil, coconut butter. So again, gonna be a very moisturizing soap, but also has that little like zesty kick to wake you up in the morning. So yeah, really excited about this. The added element of glow was something that I was not expecting, but very happy about. And yeah, it's just a very festive Halloween-y soap. So super pumped about that one. Next up is this shower gel here, and this is called Ectoplasm. And this actually smells very similar to that last soap. It is so citrusy and amazing, and I'm obsessed with it. Not only is it neon yellow, which is just fun and very Halloween-like. Actually, I guess it's like a neon yellow green. Like, you know, like the crayon in the crayon box, there was like yellow green and then there was like green yellow. This is yellow green. Does that make sense? And this smells like straight up Sunny D. I don't know, do you guys have that? Is that a Canadian thing? No, that's definitely in the States. Sunny D, it's like this like orange juice drink, but it's very sugary and like not good for you. But drinking that as a kid was like the best treat ever. And this smells like Sunny D packaged into a little bottle. I don't really know how this scent kind of fits into the Halloween theme because it smells like summer and super bright. And not exactly what you'd expect a Halloween fragrance to smell like, but regardless, I'm still very happy about it. And this one I think is actually a cream. Yeah, it's a shower cream instead of a shower gel. So that means it's gonna be a bit more rich and moisturizing versus a traditional shower gel, which I really like how they do that because especially leading into the cooler months, my skin gets a bit more dry. So I appreciate the shower cream. I'm pretty sure there's a ton of almond oil in this as well. Yeah, wow, I'm just getting all these ingredients right. Yeah, there's tons of almond oil inside, so that's gonna be what makes it that extra layer of moisturization. Mandarin, tangerine, grapefruit, sea salt, all the citrus, all the zestiness. Super fun little scent. I think if you like citrus, you'll either like that soap or this one. They're a little different in the sense that this is more like a candy citrus, whereas the other one is more of like a pure lemongrass, but both really delicious. Next up, I have the Magic Crystals Shower Scrub here, and this says, scrub your way to softness with Epsom salts and tingly fresh mint infusion. Now, what really attracted me to this was the color of it. This looks alarmingly unnatural because it is so neon. Like, I actually don't think I've seen a Lush product this pigmented ever before. Ugh, but it smells literally so good. This smells like when you go to get like a pedicure and they put that like tingly mint scrub on your feet, and you know when it feels really good, they exfoliate it. That's what this smells like. So it's very pampering. I think I'm gonna really like using this all over my legs in the shower. That fresh mint is just giving me life. It's definitely more of like a spearmint than a peppermint smell. But yeah, there's so many chunks. I think it's salt inside. Is there sugar? No, it's salt, and then yeah, the menthol crystals, spearmint, peppermint oil, fresh mint infusion. Wow, I cannot speak today. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be like a very tingly and stimulating shower scrub. And yeah, I think it's gonna be really great, especially on like, you know, in the winter when you just kind of let your feet go. Like you're like, I'm not wearing sandals, no one has to see my feet or my legs, and you have like a not cute foot. You know, it's like a little dry, not looking the best. I feel like that's when Magic Crystals will really come in handy. So I'm excited to try this one out. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. I feel like this is gonna be one of the standout products from the collection this year. But make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'm always kind of doing little Instagram reviews and follow-ups about the products that I talk about. So follow me at Jacqueline Forbes if you wanna see little updates on these Lush products, and I will let you know, how I get on with this product. Okay, I'm moving quickly along because I am sweating in here. I thought it was gonna be a lot colder today, but with the sweater, I'm just like, this is a lot right now. Okay, moving on to, this is a bath bomb of some sort. Ah, yes, this is eyeball bath bomb. Could you tell? This one just looks like a straight up eyeball, and I kind of forget what the smell of this one is. This is like one of those fragrances I just don't know how to describe. It smells kind of like fresh laundry. jasmine maybe? Like, is it a little floral? Is it? Ooh, yeah, like kind of like a fresh bouquet of flowers, but like watered down, like it's not very intense at all. Okay, I'm just gonna stop guessing and just read the ingredients because that's not helpful. This one has orange oil inside, rose absolute, ylang. You know what? How do I say ylang ylang? Is it ylang ylang or lang lang? I feel like everyone always says it differently. Comment down below if you know. Okay, so yeah, like a soft, gentle floral. Oh no. Oh no. Definitely just got some bath bomb on my face. There was one time, I think it was like years ago when I first started my YouTube channel and doing like Lush hauls, there was one video where I sniffed a bath bomb and just got it all over my face. And then for the entire 20-minute video, I just had bath bomb dust like all over my face and it was not looking cute. So I'm just like traumatized at every single time that that's gonna happen again. Anyways, eyeball bath bomb. I actually don't know if this is supposed to be colorful in the water. I feel like since it's a Halloween bath bomb, it will be like colorful and magical. But I guess we'll have to see. I always kind of love that when you get like a little surprise with your bath bomb. You're like, oh, I was not expecting that. Except for when it like starts shooting out glitter unexpectedly. And like I'm here for a glitter bath bomb moment, don't get me wrong. But when it's a glitter bath bomb and you don't expect it to be a glitter bath bomb, it can be a little intense. Okay, moving on to another shower scrub. Lush is just releasing all of the scrubs this season. I'm excited about it. This one is called Scrub Scrub Scrub, and this one, oh my gosh, I know my mom is gonna steal this from me because this is her favorite scent from Lush, basically of all time. This basically looks like a giant pot of charcoal. I don't even know if you'll be able to see this on camera. It's just like the most pigmented, deepest, purest black I've ever seen. And it smells so fruity and refreshing. It's not what you'd expect from a charcoal scrub at all. Oh no, I got it on my nose again. No. Your girl is struggling today, guys. Anyways, the fragrance of this is the Comforter, which is like one of the most popular bath bombs bath bombs? No, that's a lie, it's a bubble bar. One of the most one of the most popular bubble bars that Lush ever makes. So super excited to see a little addition to that little scent family at Lush. It just smells so good. And again, this is a brand new one from Lush. They didn't have this last year either, so definitely worth checking this one out. I'm kind of curious actually what the difference will be between these two, like between the Magic Crystals and Scrub Scrub Scrub. I imagine that Magic Crystals is just gonna make your skin feel more tingly, whereas Scrub 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 isn't. But in terms of like exfoliation, I'm not sure which one will be better. I'm just gonna kind of have to test them out and see which one. Ooh, I actually meant to talk about this earlier. So similarly to the Ectoplasm liquid shower cream that I showed you guys a bit earlier, there's actually a solid one, a naked one as well. So you guys know that Lush is all about, you know, finding packaging-free alternatives. So if you want to be a little extra eco-friendly and do a packaging-free option, they have this solid shower cream here, which I guess basically is just like a bar of soap, but this one is super, super buttery and the exact same smell. Sunny D, straight up Sunny D. Love that. Love that for Lush. Okay, next up we have some more bath bombs in here. I'm forgetting all the ones that I got. Oh yeah, this one is Monster Ball. This one they did have last year and they brought it back. I remember really liking it last year, so. This guy just looks like the monster from Monsters, Inc. What's his name, like Mike? What a cutie, right? This one's so good. It's like a mix of fruity, a little zesty, a little citrusy, very uplifting, but there also is like, I wanna say like oh, just inhaled that a little too deeply. There's like a little bit of like a spice and like a little bit of depth to it. I'm not really sure what that is. Lush. The label is like worn off, so I can't even read what the ingredients are, so I have to purely guess off of what I can smell. Okay, I can see lime oil and neroli oil. And everything else is pretty much gone. But yeah, this one is not the same type of citrus as all the other citrus products in the range this year. This one definitely has a bit more like depth to it. I would say there's like a warming, not like a cinnamon, but a bit of like a spice to it underneath. Definitely a really interesting smell. I haven't smelled a lot of things like this. And I also just like that there's a little candy eyeball in the front. Okay, and next up we have a classic from the Lush Halloween range. A personal fave, might I add. Can you guys guess what it is? Anyone, pause this video, comment down below what you think my favorite bath bomb from the Lush Halloween range is. That comes back every year. That's a pretty big hint. Lord of Misrule. Guys, this is the best bath bomb of all time. It smells so good. It's like one of those addictive scents. The first time that I ever smelled this, I was like, oh, yeah, it smells good. And then I started using it. I used the shower cream, I used the bath bombs, and I just slowly started to get way more obsessed with it. I don't know what it is. There's like a perfect mix of sweet and spicy It's got like a really nice vanilla, sweet and decadent layer, but then there's also some like black pepper, a bit of patchouli that gives it more of like an earthiness and some warmth. And it also makes your bath like a deep red wine color, which you would not expect because it looks like a bright green. But inside there's another shell that's like a beautiful burgundy. And the bath just feels so luxurious. It smells amazing. I just hope that they never take this out of the Lush Halloween range because this baby just is so important to me, guys. It's a very significant bath bomb in my life, okay? Okay, and then last but not least from this little haul, I have one more bath bomb here. And again, there is no label on this, so I completely forget what this is called, but I do know that this is a jelly balm. And, oh my gosh, wait, I didn't even notice. It's got a little ghost on the top. Looks like a little Snapchat ghost. You guys see this on camera? I feel like the lighting is really bad today. Sorry guys, I feel like I've been having so many different tech issues with my camera right now, so I just like gave up on the lighting today. Anyways, this bath bomb here, the jelly bath bomb, I thought would be fun to try out because I've been very into all the jelly bombs lately. If you guys haven't tried them, they're one of the, I don't want to say new, I guess they've been around for a while now, one of the new-ish launches in the bath bomb collection. It basically makes your bath water like jelly, like a little slimy. It sounds really unappealing when you talk about it, but if you've just kind of been bored with the bath bombs and you want to switch it up, it's definitely worth trying out. It basically just turns your bath into jelly. There's no way to describe it other than that. Oh my gosh, guys, these scents are so hard to describe when you don't have any reference for them. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna have to Google it because the Halloween scents this year have just been getting me. I can't remember them. Okay, I'm gonna do a quick Google because this is gonna bug me if I can't figure out what this scent is. Lush.ca. How do you guys normally get your Lush products? Do you guys order them online or do you guys go in store? I'm so picky about scents. Like I find I have to smell them in real life. So I prefer to shop in store if I can. But I know that a lot of you guys order online, which is always interesting to me. Halloween. Where is this? Oh. Wait, what? It's called Ectoplasm as well? Like the same name as the shower cream. Wait, is it supposed to be the same scent as well? Grapefruit, tangerine. I guess it is supposed to be the same scent as the shower gels. I swear these do not smell the same at all. Now that I read grapefruit, this definitely is a lot more grapefruity, but it's not a sweet citrus at all, whereas this is like super sweet orange Sunny D. Yeah, there is no way. These do not smell the same at all, so I don't know why they've named them the same things, because they're definitely very different. I would say that you'll like this one a lot more if you don't like sickeningly sweet citrus. Like this one is definitely a lot more subtle. I couldn't even really tell that it was a citrus. I mean, now that I read that it says grapefruit, that makes sense, but it's super, super mild. So that was everything that I ended up picking up from the Halloween range this year. There is a few other products that I did pick up. There was like the Cat Bubble Bar that they had last year and Metamorphosis Bath Bomb. And I think maybe a few other products that I didn't get. For the most part, those are some of the new launches and new products I was really excited about. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Make sure you guys let me know down below in the comments which products you end up picking up or which products you're super excited to check out. And yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys really soon. Bye!